Ago, 2 days ago.
Okay. Maybe they want to see the front view here.
It's nice.
It goes up to almost 5,000 people.
Okay.
It's a cruiser.
Cruise. Inside, there's a basketball court, swimming pool.
Yes, everything.
Everything is
Cinemas.
inside. Yes.
Hotels.
Yes.
Water park also.
Yeah.
But it's expensive, sir.
Yes.
That
Per person, how much?
must be expensive, this cruise.
Expensive.
Per person, sir.
I don't know.
Is it you try before to go? I mean to travel, like to go there in a cruise?
Because of the COVID, they park here. They're waiting for the COVID to finish.
It's nice. What is the name? Atlantic, no.
But it's huge.
Very huge.
This cruise traveled around the world.
Maybe on England, Greece.